sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos. Not everyone will approve of what you did, or not everyone will approve of what you do. Hindi lahat papalakpak. Ang tanong ko lang is, bakit? Kailangan mo bang palakpakan lagi? For as long as masaya ka at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, and you're able to impart what you want, you don't need to impress people. Panindigan mo kung anong paniniwala mo na pwedeng pakinabangan ng iba. That should be the case. Dapat ganun lang. Stick to your purpose. Stick to your craft. Oo, kailangan mo makinig sa iba. But at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin magdidesisyon kung makakabuti yun sa'yo o hindi. Know what to keep and what to drop. Huwag mong pansinin yung sobrang ingay ng ibang tao. Hindi makakabuti sa'yo yun. At wala naman silang pakialam sa'yo. In the same way as wala ka naman pakialam sa kanila. Para ke? Ang gawin mo lang, i-focus ka lang sa mission mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng atensyon. Again, kung patuloy mo yung ipiplease ang ibang tao, sayang ka lang. Just be yourself and make that difference.